George, thanks for joining us. So it's Sarajevo, and it's a home draw as well, although playing in Cardiff City Stadium. But how much of a relief, I guess, was the home draw?
Yeah, relief. Yeah, for the club, for us as players, for getting to places, it'll be great for playing at home, not going away and travelling. Financially and logistically, it'd be great.
Bosnian champions. They sound like an experienced outfit. Do you know anything about them yet?
Nothing. I've just had a quick look after the draw, full of internationals. So yeah, going to be tough. Very similar to what we faced probably last year. But yeah, they're going to be good quality.
With the changes, of course, it's one leg now. So as we say, the home draw is important, but one game. Will that help, do you think?
I think so. With us, with the way we've been in cup competitions over the last 3 or 4 years, it's been we've got not a bad record in one-off shootout sort of thing. So it might suit us.
Andy Morrison was on social media earlier, thrilled to hear the Champions League music in the background, Connahs Quay coming out. He's saying all the other teams would want to play Connahs Quay. They don't know much about us. Do you think that's true? The other teams have been looking at you?
I think so. Last year we put ourselves on the map a little bit with like I said, the cup runs and that. So we're not a surprise package anymore like we used to be. But hopefully they don't know too much about us, so we can put one on them.
The last few seasons have been unbelievable with Connahs Quay. Since you returned, I guess, 6 years ago, could you imagine what would have happened when you returned to the club all those years ago?
I think I said last week to our press lads that it's been like a steady rise for the past 6 years. But the sort of period of my career, I couldn't. It's been great. Not just to tail out and just finish off. It's been great to be challenging and playing big games. Big Scottish games have been great. So it's been good for me personally.
And one more year as well. You're up for another season.
I'll see how my body feels. Yeah, but yeah, I feel all right. Pre-season this year has been tough, and I think it's harder the older you get. But stay fit and still feel all right.
With the Champions League, of course, how big a help will the Europa League experience be, do you think, over the last few seasons?
I think so. I think the way we prepare and our detail in the way we go for games, it's hopefully stand us in good stead. Like I said before, these are going to be good. It's going to be a good team. So, but we'll be prepared and we'll have a game plan to go at.
How have the preparations been going? I've seen you played a few games behind closed doors. Was it good to get back up and running?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's been at least we've got an end in sight sort of thing. Of the training on our own was relentless and it was tough. It was tough training on your own and running, and the program they set was tough. But at least we've got dates to aim at now to train towards.
Yeah, absolutely. And of course, so it's Sarajevo at the Cardiff City Stadium in the Champions League because Connahs Quay are champions. Season ended early, of course. Have you seen the cup yet? Have you had a chance to celebrate properly?
No, I think, like I said, it's going to be a strange feeling. It's because with it being so long ago and the way it's finished, it's going to be weird how to celebrate or how to lift the cup. But I think we'll still do it.
I bet. I can imagine. And with a 1-year contract, I can't imagine Andy Morrison letting you leave the Nomads. So there might be another contract after this.
Well, we'll see how this year goes first, right?
Brilliant. Thanks for your time, George. Looking forward to seeing you at the Cardiff City Stadium.